Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Language Broker English Lesson 7.2. Today, we discuss how to conjugate 4 irregular present tense verbs. Together, we will learn, memorize, and practice. Before we begin, let's review subject pronouns. The English subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. How do you conjugate irregular present tense verbs? There is no rule. You have to memorize. You have to memorize. Let's begin. Be, be. I am. I am. I am. You are. You are. You are. He is. He is. He is. She is. She is. She is. It is. It is. It is. We are. We are. We are. You are. You are. You are. They are. They are. They are. I am tired. I am tired. I am tired. You are tired. You are tired. You are tired. Anne is tired. Anne is tired. Anne is tired. Can. Can. The verb can does not change for he, she, or it. You conjugate as follows. I can. I can. I can. You can. You can. You can. He can. He can. He can. She can. She can. She can. It can. It can. It can. It can. We can. We can. We can. You can. You can. You can. They can. They can. They can. I can dance. I can dance. I can dance. Amy can dance. Amy can dance. Amy can dance. We can dance. We can dance. We can dance. Good job. That one wasn't too difficult. Let's look at have. Have. I have. I have. I have. You have. You have. You have. He has. He has. He has. She has. She has. She has. It has. It has. It has. We have. We have. We have. You have. You have. You have. They have. They have. They have. You have a dog. You have a dog. You have a dog. She has a dog. She has a dog. She has a dog. It has a tail. It has a tail. It has a tail. Great job. Okay, so we have one more. Will. We will talk about the verb will some more in another lesson, but for right now, just know to conjugate will, it does not change for he, she, and it. The verb will does not change form for the pronouns he, she, or it. So, I will, I will, I will. You will, you will, you will. He will, he will, he will. She will, she will, she will. It will, it will, it will. We will, We will. We will. You will. You will. You will. They will. They will. They will. Okay, that's it for the verb will. We will see more about this verb in a future lesson. That is all for today. Those verbs are not conjugated like our regular verbs in the present tense. So practice, memorize, 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 and practice some more. Thank you for watching. Please click like, click subscribe. Go to the next lesson. I truly enjoy learning English with you. I will see you soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.